Hi everyone, let's set up for quinceañera. Today we are setting up in Salinas, California for Jocelyn's quince. We started setting up the night before, so here we are on our way to the event location. Once we arrived, this is what the space looked like. Today's theme is going to be Western, and our client requested we use black, gold, and red. We started working on the guest tables first, so we went ahead and arranged them how they looked best, and then we went ahead and added black table covers along with sequin gold runners on top. And here's what it looked like once the linens were added. Once that was done, we moved on to centerpieces. Today we are going to be using these tall gold vases, which are kind of like chandelier style. They have the hanging crystals, they're really pretty. And then here are our floral arrangements, which consist of greenery and red roses. We placed one on top of each gold vase, and this is what it looked like once we had placed those on top. And that concluded what we did for this night. Here we are arriving to the event location on event day. Today's main focus is going to be our two main tables, which is going to be our dessert table and our head table for quinceañera. For guest tables, chairs were added, and we are just going to be adding our charger plates and napkins. For today's event, we used our gold beaded charger plates. We added those to all of the guest tables, and on top of that, we added these bright red napkins. I think it really brought everything together. So that was it for our guest tables. And then we moved on to the dessert table. For this backdrop, we used black and gold fabric, and we added some greenery on top of the backdrop. And then we placed a mirror with the number 15 in the middle. We added two fresh floral arrangements on each side. And then we began adding all of our cake stands, our trays, and our decorative pieces. Once that was all set, we began adding our desserts and candy. Here's a little overview of some of the items that we added. We then moved on to the quinceañera's head table. Since the theme for this event is Western, we incorporated this wooden backdrop. And then at the very top, we added our gold crown, and we draped this beautiful red sequin fabric on each side of the backdrop. And in the middle, we added our gold throne chair for the quinceañera to sit in, of course. And here we are just adding some finishing touches. We added our gold table skirt and placed our beautiful fresh floral arrangement on top of the table. And just some little decorative pieces. Here we added some candles at the bottom of the table skirt. And here is the completed head table with the quinceañera posing in front of it. And finally, the completed tables. We have dessert table, cake table, and the quinceañera's head table. And that completes today's event.